mates, didn't see you there. Alright, so last time we left off, we made some delicious ramen noodles, and unfortunately my compadres died, so I'm all alone right now. And to my luck, I found a Cheez-It starting kit, and today we're gonna be cooking some delicious Cheez-Its. So, I've already warmed up my water, and I got a nice fire going. It's getting a bit windy. We should probably hurry up. So let's just start off. Okay. Get closer, get closer. I'm gonna pull it up. Jeez, it's gonna run out here. Alright, so first thing in your Cheez-It starting kit. This is always family size, but unfortunately I don't have a family to share it with, so I'll just have to eat it all myself. But you're gonna want to pull out the first part of the Cheez-It starting pack. Ignore the mark here. It's getting a little windy. I think we're having a tornado. We should be fine though. As you can see, I already put the nettles in, and we also have a cheese pack here too. All right, and we just wait until these bad Larrys boil. Okay, we're doing well here. What you're gonna want to do is get your strainer. Just gonna want to pour your nettles in it. Crocky. All right, and you want to get your butter where the cheese thing goes. Just gonna put some butter in there. These fires never work. This is awful. Alright, so the most thing you want to avoid is wildfires. They are the worst thing they can do in the outback. Jeepers. Here, my hold on. Alright, now when you got your butt in here, it's been sitting for a while. You see a little ash, but it's really all right. Like, there's really no problem. Ash never hurt no one. Like, if you think about it, we live in wooden houses. That's pretty much ash. Just one chemical reaction away. So, make sure you got your cheese. You just gotta put it all in there, right there. And then your cheese. Alright, that's looking good. And then you're gonna want some water in here too. And where's a spoon? You know what? Just mix it all together like that. As you can see, we're getting some nice Cheez-Its. At least that's how they say it in Australia, anyways. Oh, this is like wet sand. Ever been to the Bahamas before? It's like the exact opposite of this. Holy moly, what is this, Chernobyl? Oh, God. Okay, and that should be fine. One. Alright, now that's looking nice and cheesy. You're gonna want to grab your box. See, thank gosh they had the real kindness to make a nice bowl for us. You just gotta pour it all in there, and it acts as a good strainer as well. And then you can just eat just like that. That stuff is the best thing I've eaten in probably 24 hours. Besides the kangaroo last week. But still, it's good. I'll see you next time on Cooking with Pop.